In the rear with the gear.
Purifiers were born here, converted from the personalities of great warriors. But one of them was merely a prisoner, a Tal'Darim. His AI personality managed to infiltrate our systems and turn them against us. I can undo the damage, but I will need your help.
Bad news. SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! SCV ready. SCV ready. SCV ready.
Gangway, coming through.
Woo-hoo!
Who wants some?
SCV ready. We hear you. SCV ready. SCV ready.
This better be good.
Roger. Go ahead. Yeah. SCV ready.
Armed and ready.
SCV ready.
The
Our allies are
swarm
being
is an
attacked.
assault on civilization itself.
Go, go, go!
Initial security terminal is clear. Fear not, there are several more.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Our allies
Reinforcements to the front line.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Gangway, coming through.
SCV ready.
Armed and ready.
Banshee airstrike ready for deployment.
SCV ready.
Nothing more to do here. I shall move on to the next area in a moment.
Looks like we're running escort.
Attack.
Who wants some?
SCV ready.
The transport is in motion.
Bad news. Move it. In the rear with the gear. Roger.
Hyperion call down ready.
Ah! You scared me. Sure thing.
This better be good.
Analyzing corrupted security data. Stand by.
Yeah, whatever.
Armed and ready.
The Tal'Darim still thinks he can destroy me. Can you prove him wrong?
You want a piece of
Not enough minerals. Add-on.
Gangway, coming through. Why not? Who wants some?
What's going on?
Gangway, coming through.
Uh-huh.
I have regained control of 50% of our systems, but it hasn't been easy.
Keep your shirt on. But wait, you gonna give me orders? Affirmative.
This suppression tower was once a useful defense. Now it is in the way of my work. Kindly dispose of it.
Our allies are being attacked.
I am unable to progress due to the tower's interruption. This is just a transport. It has no shields to defend me from these strikes.
Go ahead.
Only 25% of the corruption remains.
Yo. We hear you.
Our allies are being attacked.
Hyperions inbound.
Be careful with my ship, Jim.
Count on me.
Suppression tower down.
Are being attacked.
Calling down the Banshees.
Mayday! Mayday! Despite the odds, everything has been fully reset here.
Count on me. Sounds like fun.
Gangway. Coming through.
Raiders roll. Time to man up.
This better be good. You gonna give me orders?
Mayday! Mayday!
SCV ready.
Mayday! Mayday!
Upgrade complete.
I am about to head to the third terminal.
Yeah, whatever.
Add-on complete.
Got it.
Proceeding.
I'm on it. Can't wait.
SCV ready.
I'm detecting an enemy attack. They're heading towards us now.
Affirmative.
Add-on.
SCV ready.
Interesting. One of the data cores has not yet been breached by the rogue Tal'Darim. If you could recover these personalities, the purifiers would be grateful. I am under attack. Care to assist?
Our allies are being attacked.
Well?
This war leaves no room for civilians.
SCV ready.
Our allies' base is under
Restoring
attack.
original security protocol. Try to be patient.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Hostile forces have been deployed to my position.
Our base is under attack.
SCV ready.
Our allies' base is under attack. Not enough minerals. Upgrade complete.
Detecting another suppression tower.
Yes, Commander.
SCV ready.
Upgrade complete.
Tower attacks temporarily disabled my systems.
Research complete.
This personality will never be lost now.
Banshee airstrike. Our allies' base is under attack.
Whatever that means.
Our allies
This is just
are
a
being
transport.
attacked.
It has no shields to defend me from these strikes. This purifier is free from harm.
Not enough minerals. Our allies are being attacked. Our allies' base is under
Thanks to
attack.
your diligence, the personalities of these warriors are safe.
Engage.
Systems work halted by tower strikes. I am under attack. Care to assist?
Hyperion ready for deployment.
Bad news? Right.
Tower destroyed. Good work. I will have to ask for more of it. Restoration efforts have reached the halfway point. I recommend taking out that suppression tower. Quickly.
Be ready.
Will do.
I am unable to progress due to the tower's interruption.
Who called in the fleet?
SCV ready. You're the boss.
We could use some help here.
We hear you.
The tower has ceased its fire. At least something is going right. I have overridden 3/4 of the Tal'Darim's alterations. Hold fast.
Allies base is under attack.
Who called in the fleet?
Our allies are being attacked.
Ah! You scared? Big job, huh? Go ahead.
What is it?
SCV ready.
Data secure. This security terminal is clear of corruption.
In the rear with the gear.
Oh, really? Who called in the...
SCV ready.
You hailed? Yes, sir.
SCV ready. SCV ready.
Warning. I will set out for the next location shortly.
It will make the journey. You have my word.
SCV ready.
Our allies are being attacked.
Calling down the Hyperion.
Transport en route.
What's the plan?
SCV ready.
Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan.
Our allies are being attacked.
Count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan.
SCV ready.
Raiders roll. You best get ready. Enemy's headed for our base.
Our allies
This is just
are
a
being
transport. It has no shields to defend me from these strikes. Accessing security terminal and beginning data reset.
Whatever.
Our allies are being attacked.
SCV ready.
I require aid. System defenses have been activated against me. Enemy suppression tower activated.
Our allies are being attacked.
Suppression tower down.
You hailed? Roger. Okay. Who called in the fleet? Course moving.
takeover is halfway complete. And yes, I am doing my best. Enemy suppression tower activated.
Squadron on
Our allies are being attacked.
Tower destroyed. Good work. I will have to ask for more of it. My work here is nearly finished, if you can believe it. I recommend taking out that suppression tower. Quickly.
patching you through. What is it? Oh, really? Who called in the fleet?
Tower attacks have temporarily disabled my systems.
Well, what is it? Yes, Commander.
Our allies are being attacked.
Acknowledged.
The tower has ceased its fire. At least something is going right.
Whatever that means.
System integrity verified. We are back online at this location.
Well? What is it? Oh, really? You hailed? Whatever that means.
Hyperion call down ready.
Patching you through.
Finalizing route to final terminal. Try to stay focused.
Okay. What is it?
Upgrade complete.
Oh, really? Who called in the fleet?
Moving forward.
Well?
There are more personalities in the data core here. Try to reach them before the enemy does.
Our allies are being attacked.
A data core is in danger. Action advised.
It's a trap!
You have protected another of my brethren.
Our allies are being attacked.
I am under attack. Care to assist?
Patching you through. You hailed?
What a relief. Another personality saved.
What is it?
Fortunately, all of the personalities from the data cores were preserved.
Oh, really? Caught in.
Our allies are being attacked.
Take it slow.
The Zerg will
Our allies
feast
are
on
being
our
attacked.
enemies' remains.
Whatever that
Initiating security system rebuild. This will take a while.
en route. Who called in the fleet?
Hostile forces have been deployed to my position.
Insufficient Vespine gas. Our allies are being attacked.
Detecting another suppression tower.
Our allies are being attacked.
Systems work halted by tower strikes.
Sell me.
People look.
This is just a transport. It has no shields to defend me from these strikes.
Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll.
Who called in the...
Tower destroyed. Good work. I will have to ask for more of it. Detecting another suppression tower.
Plan. Sounds like a plan. Sell me.
System takeover is halfway complete. And yes, I am doing my best. The tower has ceased its fire. At least something is going right.
Our allies are
I am under attack. Care to assist? Numerous suppression towers activating. Just what we needed. Suppression towers down. Only 25% of the corruption remains. Tower destroyed. Good work. I will have to ask for more of it.
You hailed? Who called in the fleet?
Our allies are being attacked.
No matter how they slander me, I will continue to act in the best interest of all humans.
You hailed?
Analyzing systems. No trace of the Tal'Darim personality remains. It appears he is truly dead at last. Fine work, Commanders.